Unlock metalworking mastery in 1 minute. From unboxing to operation, 70% faster assembly than conventional grinders. Dual-speed direct-driven motor, for A to brushless induction motor, can provide 1,750 and 3,450 RPM speeds for different needs, 25% more sanding efficiency than belt-driven motor. Full cast iron construction absorbs vibration, while streamlined work table assure game-changing innovations. Tool-free belt tension release, and industrial-grade back glue, 0 downtime guarantee. From dust-free operations to hidden tool storage, every detail engineered for your workflow.